Welcome to the next lesson, giving you promo codes in FlowXO. In this lesson we will do the same work as we did in ManyChat. This time we will use FlowXO. You will need only one of them, but I will show you both ManyChat and FlowXO, so you'll be able to choose. Before we start, if you already connected your product's Facebook page with ManyChat and now you want to make the same settings in FlowXO, you will have to disconnect ManyChat first. To do that, you go to your Facebook page, click Settings, Messenger Platform, and click Uninstall. Now we can start our settings on FlowXO. Click on the button Start for free. Here, the process is slightly different. First, you will have to create your chat bot. Go to menu Bots and click on the green button New. By the way, both services, ManyChat and FlowXO, are growing and evolving very fast. So don't be surprised if you will see a different interface. The main settings will stay the same. FlowXO can work with many messengers at the same time. However, since our target audience uses Facebook Messenger in the most of cases, we will create only chatbot in Facebook Messenger. In the future, you can add Telegram or many other available messengers. Here you just click on the icon of the Facebook Messenger. Write the name of your chatbot. You can use your brand name, for example. Choose the language of your bot, English of course. Scroll down and click the button Login to Facebook to connect your Facebook page to this chatbot. Right after connection, you will see this window. Here, copy and save this link. This is a direct link to your chatbot in Messenger. We will need this link when we will be setting up your Facebook advertising. After we created our chatbot in FlowXO, we can create a flow. Flow is the same as a sequence in ManyChat. Go to the menu Flows and click on the button New. You will see many templates of possible flows, but in our case we will need a blank flow. Next, we have to set a trigger of this flow. Click on the button Catch All and connect this flow to your chatbot that you just created. Then we have to create our first message that we want to show to our customer. You can use option either send a message or send a card, or you can use both options one by one. In the settings of your card, you write the title and text that you want to show. Paste here your super URL link in the field link URL and image of your product, and that's it. At the end, your flow will be like this. First, we connect your customer to bot, then send him a welcome message, and immediately after that, we send him a card with an image of a product and link to your product on Amazon. The real view of all these messages you can always check using the direct link to your chatbot. Okay, now we set up our first message to our customers. The main purpose of this message is to lead them to Amazon and claim their coupon code. However, we also need to ask them about a review. In the next lesson, we will add in this flow several more messages where we will be asking your customers to leave a review.